Your Lordship, I'm coming here for the third time. Again, the criminal revision posted before Honorable Justice D.K. Paliwal. Today, for the second time, sir, I decline to hear the matter. The problem is it is fixed before him. Either Your Lordship may release the matter posted before appropriate bench, because my case at the Supreme Court is hindered because of this, sir. He's not ready to listen to the matter. He's not ready to grant a fixed date. I was just there for 10 minutes. I was requesting the Honorable Bench, but they did not show any inclination, Your Lordship.
आपका इशू क्या है?
Sir, it is a maintenance case. 7 years purana order hai. It has to be enhanced. Now, on basis of that order, alimony has to be decided before the Supreme
How
Court.
much maintenance you are getting?
So it's 40,000 plus 6 months of arrears which are outstanding. The husband has not paid. The school has sent me a fee.
If not paid, file the execution.
Yes, sir.
If-
Sir, execution is filed. Warrants have been issued. He is not appearing before the trial court. And they say before 1 year of arrears, like if there are not arrears more than 8-9 months, we will not issue arrest warrants. Still, I somehow managed, but he's not appearing anywhere. Only before the High Court he's appearing, and here the bench is not inclined to listen to the matter.
If he's not appearing before the execution court, court
Yes,
may
sir.
issue the warrant.
I filed a contempt petition also. There, the notices are also not being received. I have all those papers with me. Now, I am trapped, sir. Finally, it has to be heard by the Apex Court. Now, they will pass an order based on the maintenance order, sir.
What your husband is doing?
So, he's a builder.
He's a builder.
Yeah, at Bombay.
So you are advocate.
Yes, sir. I've just...
Why do you bother about builder? You start your practice and...
Sir, for a junior advocate, it is very difficult to... And plus, I have a 10 years daughter, sir. Otherwise, I would have not been troubling your lordship.
How many years you put it in practice?
Sir, I've just been enrolled in 2022. And I am also doing LLM along with that. So I have to also be present at the college.
Instead of doing LLM, concentrate your profession.
Sir, I will definitely, once this matter is also being, the Supreme Court, if they take up, they'll dispose it off. I'll focus on the practice, sir.
So just Monday you mentioned, if Monday doesn't take, we'll take this.
So he will not, he's not inclined, I'm saying, because Monday it is listed before the Apex Court. All I'm requesting is if your lordship may release the matter. It's tied up before that
If
bench.
it is released, then again it will be posted Monday or Tuesday.
Sir, but it will be before some other bench. They may consider the urgency in the matter, sir.
Listen, other benches.
Sir, because I am not the only person. There are a battery of lawyers. You can ask anybody. They don't listen to the courtroom number 8 specifically. They only hear 482 matters. Let people request their matters. So anybody can say. I'm not the only one saying this. And being a member of the bar, I'm facing this issue. What about the civilians or litigants who are in person, your lordship? That's the only issue. If it's before some other bench.
But what to do, madam? More than 2,70,000 cases.
Yes, sir, I do understand. But it's also 7-year-old litigation, your lordship.
Both the cases of Indore and Gwalior.
Yes, sir.
Still, this court has more than that. Okay.
Sir, I agree.
Judges are less than Gwalior and Indore.
Sir, this is
So
a
that is the
2020 matter.
Just have a patience. If it doesn't release their mention, any day matter will be taken up.
Sir.
Right. Yes, please.
Thank
I think that this WP which I am mentioning, sir, 230 पर रख दिया जाए. Sir, this is a PIL. हम respondent number 6 हैं, sir, इसमें. Sir, इसमें one Mahendra Dixit has filed a PIL, sir, before this court कि हम illegal plotting कर रहे हैं, sir. Sir, इसमें जो precedent है, जो महेंद्र दीक्षित है, sir, he is an employee of one आशीष मिश्रा. Sir, उनके खिलाफ काफी cases filed है. One rape case is also filed against him, and he is currently in jail, your lordship. सर उन्होंने एक PIL फाइल की है. ऑल द लेटर्स आर जो है इशू हुए हैं, सर आशीष मिश्रा ने किए थे म्युनिसिपल कॉर्पोरेशन को, सर. सर नाउ इलीगल प्लॉटिंग का हमारे ऊपर इल्जाम लगाया था कि वी आर डूइंग इलीगल प्लॉटिंग. हमने जो है PIL में रिप्लाई भी दिया हुआ है कि सर हमारी एंसेस्ट्रल प्रॉपर्टी है. 1955 से हमारे जो फादर हैं राम भरोसे, उनके नाम पर चली आ रही है. और हमारे जो हमने सेल आउट जो प्रॉपर्टी की है, वो हमने इसलिए सेल आउट किया है क्योंकि हमारा जो ब्रदर है उनको कैंसर था, और वो हमने सारे दस्तावेज भी लगाए हैं. और उनका ये मेन कंटेंशन था कि ये जो प्रॉपर्टी है नदी से 300 मीटर नर्मदा.
What you want?
सर म्युनिसिपल कॉर्पोरेशन से नोटिस आया है कि 24 आवर्स में आप जो है अपनी प्रॉपर्टी डिमोलिश कर दीजिए, नहीं तो हम 292 की कार्रवाई कर देंगे. Sir, it has received, we have yesterday only received the notice. So, sir, this matter may be listed today only at 2:30 because they will initiate action against us. I am not praying for anything, sir. I am just praying for status quo because, sir, order में जो
इसको फाइल मंगवा लो फाइल आज लगा लो.